So here's the 15 horsepower Johnson from 1986 next to the big 125 horsepower Merc. So the goal here is that this is going to be the auxiliary for this boat. The question really remains whether or not it's going to be too long in the long shaft configuration to go on the boat. So that's something I'm going to have to look into really at the end of the day. So I'm going to give them the lower unit for the short shaft configuration, and they might need to pop that on there just to see how that goes. And therefore, if it does work better with the short shaft configuration, that's pretty much the one I'm going to have to run with. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. The 15 horsepower Johnson mounted to the Hinton 5.2, and I've got the brackets up in the highest position at the moment. Now this is a long shaft. I'm going to consider converting it to a short shaft in order to be able to make sure it's definitely clear of the water, because the water line for this boat usually is around here, maybe a little bit higher sometimes. But at this stage, now that it's mounted, I just want to make sure that it all runs, and I'm going to give the 125 Merc a run as well. So that's pretty much what this video is all about.